Why is scraping tennis data from non-API sites so hard? Imagine trying to gather all the latest tennis match stats, player info, and historical records from websites that don't give you a simple data button. It sounds straightforward but turns out to be quite tricky. When websites don't have official application programming interfaces, or APIs, it's like trying to piece together a puzzle with missing pieces. These sites usually show data in a way that's meant for people to read, not for computers to grab easily. The data is often hidden inside complex HTML code, spread across many different tables and sections. Sometimes the site updates its layout without warning, which means your data scraper might stop working overnight. Many tennis sites load their data using JavaScript, which is a programming language that updates parts of a web page after the initial page loads. To get this data, you need tools called headless browsers that can run JavaScript just like a real browser. This adds extra steps and makes the process slower and more resource-heavy. Plus, these sites often try to block automated scraping by using tricks like CAPTCHAs, which are puzzles to prove you're human, or by limiting how often you can request data from their servers. To get around this, you might need to use proxy servers or rotate your IP addresses, which can be costly and complicated. Another challenge is that websites frequently change their layout or structure. When they do, your scraping code needs to be updated to match the new design. This means maintaining your scraping tools regularly, which takes time and effort. The data itself can also be inconsistent or incomplete. Player names might be spelled differently, match dates could be in various formats, and statistics might be missing or formatted oddly. Cleaning and normalizing this data to make it useful for analysis or visualization requires extra work. For anyone trying to build a reliable source of tennis data without official APIs, it's a balancing act. You need to combine different techniques like using headless browsers to load dynamic content, parsing HTML with tools like Beautiful Soup, and employing proxies to avoid detection. You also have to set up automated pipelines to clean and standardize the data. All of this takes time, technical skill, and ongoing maintenance. But once you get it right, you can create detailed datasets for historical analysis, player performance tracking, or live visualizations. It's a lot of work, but it's doable with the right approach and persistence.